Hello friends. This video is brought to you by mywayteaching.com.
Let us learn how to multiply two integers. It is very simple to multiply two positive integers. For instance, 3 into 5 gives us 15. We also know that multiplication is repeated addition. 3 into 5 is same as 3 times addition of 5, that is equal to 5 plus 5 plus 5 3 times. To represent 3 into 5 on number line, we will perform 5 plus 5 plus 5 on the number line and get 15 as the answer. Let us see what happens if we multiply a positive integer and a negative integer. Say we have 3 into minus 5. Since multiplication is repeated addition, this would mean we have to add minus 5 3 times. So 3 into minus 5 becomes minus 5 plus minus 5 plus minus 5. Let us try to find the answer by representing on the number line. We start from 0 and adding minus 5 plus minus 5 plus minus 5 and find that the answer is minus 15. We have seen that 3 into 5 was equal to 15. Then 3 into minus 5 equal to minus 15 also implies that it is same as minus 3 into 5 from here. So we can say that while multiplying a positive integer with a negative integer, we multiply them as whole numbers and put a minus sign before the product. So our answer is a negative integer. That would mean if we have minus 2 into 5, we will multiply 2 into 5 as whole numbers. So 2 into 5 is 10 and put a minus sign before the product. And our answer is minus 10, which is a negative integer. Let us see how to find out the product of two negative integers. Say we have to find out minus 3 into minus 2. We shall observe some pattern and reach the product we require. We know that minus 3 into 4 is equal to 12 and a minus sign. So minus 12. Minus 3 into 3 is minus 9, which can be written as minus 12 minus of minus 3. Similarly, minus 3 into 2 is minus 6, which can be written as minus 9 minus minus 3. Minus 3 into 1 will give us minus 3, that can be written as the previous product, that is minus 6 minus minus 3. minus 3 into 0 will give us 0. That can be written as minus 3 minus of minus 3. Now we come to minus 3 into minus 1. So let us see the pattern. According to the pattern, we must get 0 minus of minus 3. So that becomes 0 plus 3, which is equal to 3. Then minus 3 into minus 2 would be the previous product, that is 3 minus minus 3, which is equal to 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6. Hence we can say that product of two negative integers is a positive integer. We multiply the two negative integers as whole numbers and put a positive sign before the product. That would mean if we have minus 4 into minus 5, we multiply 4 into 5, that is 20, and put a positive sign. What will happen if we have more than two negative integers? Say we have to find minus 4 into minus 3 into minus 2. What we can do is first find the product of any two of them. Minus 4 into minus 3 will give us plus 12, and we are left with plus 12 into minus 2, which will give us 12 into 2 is 24, and since one of the integers is negative, we get a negative answer. You must have noticed that firstly we applied the rule for multiplication of two negative integers, and then while multiplying plus 12 and minus 2, we applied the rule for multiplication of a positive and a negative integer. Let us check out what will happen if we had 4 negative integers. We would have proceeded in the same manner, found out the product, and then after the second step, we would have left with minus 24 into minus 5. Then again we would apply the rule for product of two negative integers and get 24 into 5 is 120 and a positive sign. That means if we had 3 terms in the question, we were getting a negative answer, but if there were 4 terms, we got a positive answer. Let us also check the simplest possible product. Minus 1 into minus 1 will give us plus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 will give us plus 1 into minus 1, which is equal to minus 1. That means if the number of negative integers that are to be multiplied are even, then the product is positive, and if the number of negative integers to be multiplied are odd, then the product is negative. Hence we sum up multiplication as the product of a positive number with a positive number will give us a positive number. A positive number multiplied to a negative number will give us a negative number. A negative number multiplied to a positive number will also give us negative number, and two negative numbers multiplied together will give us positive number.